Papageno is now a crew of 3. On the 31st of January, the deadline of crew applications came in, which meant there were 2 more places. So far, we have myself, Laurianne, and Tommy. Now, you may have seen Tommy from past episodes from the French Diaries, but here's a bit of an introduction. Tommy has been my best mate of 14 years. I knew as soon as I was going back to Papageno that he was going to be the first person I wanted to ask on board. Not only is he a fully qualified electrician and robot programmer, he's been a lot of fun to hang out with over the past decade. Take a look.
Yes, please.
Morning, peeps. Why, guy? Oh.
I need the same, I need more, and I need the feeling that I had before I got back. Started on this old routine again. Always upstream, always against the grain, and nothing will ever change.
Hey, give us a poo. I think it's turned off, hear me?
Hello there. I'm going to book our tickets! Yes! We're going to book our tickets for the Caribbean now. I'm so stoked. Yeah, so fudge. I'm gonna book them like now. I'll let you know when they're booked. Oh my god. Hello, apologise for this. I haven't just got up, but I'm still in my dressing gown. It's too cold in here. So, it's the morning after the night before. I booked the tickets to the Caribbean. So excited. They're all booked, and I've just received I received a crew video from someone, and I'm just about to call them and ask them if they would like to be crew. So I'm just really effing happy. So yeah, I'm gonna give them a call and see what they think. Yay!
Hi, my name's Jorn, but I'll go by John when I travel. And this is my application to join as crew for Papageno. I'm gonna follow you along and seeing what you're doing and stuff, and it looks amazing. And I would love to be able to be a part of it. Talking about me as a person, God, this is a difficult one. I think I'm pretty easygoing. Love meeting new people, experiencing new things, traveling to new places. I was a full-time liveaboard for 2.5 years, one of which I took a year off to go sailing around Scandinavia and across the Shetlands, Denmark, Sweden, and most of the Norwegian coasts. Learn a lot doing that. I also do a bit of regatta sailing, classic regattas and stuff like that. So I racked up some nautical miles in the last couple of years. My biggest contribution might be my mechanical and electrical background. I used to do GT racing, which learned me a lot about engines. When I started sailing, I've done 4 or 5 engine rebuilds for friends and stuff. Plus my boat was crap, so I had to fix it a lot. Also done rigging stuff, sails, hull. Yeah, pretty much restored the boat I was living on to make it livable. Okay, cooking skills. Mediocre at best, but I can make food, and I love to learn. I don't mind making, but it's not like great. But I'll definitely, if chosen, I'll do my very best. Videos and editing. Well, from this video you can probably tell not to use this stuff. I'm gonna link my YouTube channel link and see what I've done so far. It's pretty terrible, most of it, but you might get a kick out of checking it out. Biggest attributes, why you should choose me? Well, it's me. I'm a pretty cool guy to hang out with. Practical side, I'm really good at fixing things. Downside, my cooking skills. I'll do my best, but I can't promise like a gourmet meal anytime soon. So cool, but you got a big decision to make. I'll add all the social media stuff, so you can check me out. Feel free to snooze around, and good luck on your decision. It must be a tough one. Cool. See you out there. My dog's looking at me like I'm a crazy person talking to myself. How'd you do? Don't eat my cheek.
So one of the reasons why I wanted to take John on is, I'm going to say John because I can't pronounce his first name, but I will learn how to properly pronounce it. Is because first off, he seemed like a really, really nice guy, and I know it's hard to tell a person's true personality from, you know, a resume. So that's why I asked for a video. Immediately, the sense I got was that a very laid back, gentle, kind and peaceful, and a nice guy, and that was the most important thing for me. Secondly, the fact that he has huge experience in sailing Scandinavia and has done several engine rebuilds was fantastic for me. Thirdly, he seemed really enthusiastic about Papageno, and the most important thing for me after being a nice person was enthusiasm, and I thought he would be a good match for the crew, and I'm really looking forward to him coming on board and sharing more of everyone all together. Papageno is now officially a crew of 4. We have one more person to reveal to you all, and I can't wait. So until then, we now have myself, Tommy, LJ, John, and tune in next week to find out the next person. We are now less than 6 weeks away from setting sail, so not long now. Meanwhile, down south, LJ was getting herself ready for the adventure in the Caribbean. This meant getting some snazzy new camera equipment, and of course, working her ass off in the gym. Oh, I'm bloody knackered. I bought some little weights, an exercise mat, and I've just been trying to do like 3 mini workouts a week, and I'm dead. So the story is, before I was on Delos, I lived in England, and I went to the gym all the time, and I was really fit, and I ran all the time, and I was really happy and healthy. I moved to Australia and I got even more fit. Of course I went to Delos, and then everything went downhill because of course you're partying and you're drinking, and I am working really hard to get back to my pre-Delos fighting fit shape. But for me, being healthy, I feel powerful when I'm healthy, and I'm more encouraged to do things like going hiking and stuff. I can't go hiking if I feel unhealthy because I know I'm going to fail. I'm really competitive with myself and I get really embarrassed when I fail. It was my goal for the age of 30 to be in the best shape that I've ever been in my life. Anyway, I wish you all the very best, and if you guys are working out, good on you. And if you're just having a lovely pizza, oh, I'm so jealous. You guys are kings. Anyway, talk to you soon.